Now, as we have added these two crates into the system, let us select these, A0201 crate, move it on the top in here, and here, here is our play button, okay? And just hit a play here and see what happens. Just look at this, guy. What is happening, right? Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel, and this is our another video on Omniverse in Nvidia. Okay, so we have already created first video where we have understood basics of physics, and we have done one of the stuffs in there which we will be now doing out that we will be doing a next video where we will be understanding how to do sim ready equipment and how to basically apply physics to sim ready components. So basically that might be crates, might be pallets and stuffs like that. That is what we are now going to look into. So let us start that. So basically what we are going to do now is we are going to bring in the sim ready material, okay, and that sim ready material is what is going to be included here, okay, and let us do that now. So what we are going to do is we are going to bring in the crates into our Nvidia environment, okay, and then we will be understanding how to bring multiple crates into the system and lots of different stuffs. In our stage environment, we are now going to bring in the crate, okay. So before we move on, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe because we bring in a lot of engineering related stuffs, industrial and automation related educational content just for you on Leansimcorp channel. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share with your friends, okay. So now let us bring in the crate, okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to bring in the crate into the system. So here is my one of the crate. So let me bring that, drag it into the environment here. So we'll be having a heavy duty wood crate which we have already brought, and then let us bring in another crate which is going to be a heavy duty crate A03, okay. So here comes our another crate, okay. So now what we are going to do is once that crate comes into the system, we are supposed to bring in the another crate onto the top of that, okay. So we have brought in these two crates now into the environment of Omniverse Nvidia USD Composer. Now what we are going to do is let us put on one of the another crate onto this box, and see, if you see this, it's quite easy to place it. You can place it at the center, you can place this box onto the top of this, and multiple stuffs and multiple options are available, okay. So when you click on here, you're going to get the meshes selector. So you need to go into the stage, you need to select this the complete axiom, and then you need to hit a delete so that complete object is going to get deleted, okay. So we have these two crates in here, okay. So if you look in here in the physics, you are supposed to select this as a rigid body, okay, so that it would be acting as a rigid body for our simulation of physics. If you want to drag in multiple crates, just you need to select it with control, all these crates, and just drag it into the environment, and you will be having those into your system. Now let us do this one thing, okay. What is that? We are going to make this box again. I'll go and select the axiom so it is moving together the way it is. Now it has been placed in such a way that if it is going to fall down, right, it is going to fall in a realistic way. So let us make these crates fall so that these look awesome. So that's what we are going to learn how to do that, okay. So now as we have added these two crates into the system, let us select these A0201 crate, move it on the top in here, and here here is our play button, okay, and just hit a play here and see what happens. Just look at this, guy. What is happening, right? It's very fantastically simulated, right? How when our crate will again go back again, and we'll just hit a play, okay, just from the longer angle. See, this is how it is happening, and it's quite randomized. I really love this. So there I stop it, okay, and let us just move it, I'll just move that, say, to a backward, okay, and I'll now again play it. It's not falling now. Now let me move it somewhat ahead. Let's make it. Oh, it's balanced, guys. And I'll just move it ahead so. And now it's falling. So it looks quite pretty beautiful, you know. Just look at this. We have just simulated a physics for 2 crates which are falling down. It looks quite beautiful. Just imagining when we will go ahead in the tutorials doing complex stuff, great physics, simulation. It's going to be a fantastic stuff staying ahead. So stay tuned with us at Leansimcorp, and we are going to discover wonders into Nvidia Omniverse digital twin industrial, right? So that's what we're going to do it. So this is how you can simulate crates falling down, okay, applying physics rigid body principle, and this is how it works. So if I just again reset this, right, and let us have another crate on the top of this. Yes, we have it here. Okay, here it is, and let me play it out. Oh my goodness, see, they are just dragged out in here. So this way you can do this falling physics, falling body physics. We have already completed, or we have already seen a basics of zero gravity tutorial which is already available in our PU1. If you haven't looked at, and wish you to visit that in our playlist and watch that first video, so that you will be getting a great glimpse of that. So that's all for today in this Nvidia video of where we have tried simulating a physics for a crate falling down, right, in Nvidia. So let me know in the comment section, how was this tutorial for you? How was this video for you? I hope you would have got a small glimpse of how to do this type of simulation. It's very basic, guys, and we are going to start that moving from basics to advanced. So stay tuned with us and do not miss any of the tutorials coming ahead of Nvidia Omniverse. So that's all for today, guys. Let us meet in another interesting video on Leansimcorp channel. If you haven't subscribed, I'll wish you to subscribe, like, share it with your friends, and do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for lots of exciting educational content. So that's all for today. Bye-bye.